A very good morning, children. So this is the video which is specially we have done for the revision, yes, for tomorrow's exam. So here you read all the meanings which I have given in the classworks. Read down and please write all these hard words in the rough book. Practice them. So I'll read all the options once for you, so it will be easy for the revision. What is the first bit here? Write the meanings of the following. Okay. First one is solve. What is first one? Solve. Answer. It is a summary like revision what we have done all these days. I am going to give you the summary. Belly, stomach, trick, game, delicate, soft, reflection, image, chase, run after, edge, and crazy, mad, puddle, pond, wound, cut, mended, corrected, mighty, huge, gracefully, neatly, irritated, angered. So learn all these meanings. Okay. 14 meanings are there. You have to write and read in the read from this classwork. Okay. The second bit is opposites. Okay. Write the opposites where the prefixes will be un, dis, yes, il. Able, unable, clean, unclean, order, disorder, comfort, discomfort, correct, incorrect, hurt, unhurt, honest, dishonest, lock, unlock, like, dislike, appear, disappear, connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect, satisfy, unsatisfy, close, unclose, friendly, unfriendly, tidy, untidy, complete, incomplete, obey, disobey, agree, disagree. Learn all this opposites. Then the third bit is you have to learn the plural form of this. So what you have to learn? The plural form of the words. Open the plural forms which we have learned, children. So these are the singular and the plural forms. Book, books, key, keys, day, days, mango, mangoes, glass, glasses, class, classes, knife. You can see KNIFE is there. What you have to write here? In place of FE, you have to add VES to this. Done? LIFE, life, VES you are going to add. Leaf. Okay? F is there, no, you have to add VES. Baby, babies. Here Y is added, IES you have to write here. Families, IES. Countries, COUNT, RIES. Child, children. Man, men. Sheep, sheep. Bench, benches. Branch, branches. Match, matches. Box, boxes. Woman, women. Okay. Now we'll go to the fourth bit. That is place these words in the proper column. What are these? Place these words in proper column. So you can see there are certain words here. Park, Goa or Goa, table, January, road, chair, May and melon. And what are the 4 bits columns given to you, children? Place, fruits, months and furniture. We have to identify and keep them in the proper column. Okay, park. What is park? It is a place. Mango or guava, it is a fruit. You have to write in this column. Table, it is a furniture. January, it is a month. You have to identify them and you have to put them in the right column. Is it? Refer textbook page number 23. Fifth bit, Fill in the blanks with the words from the brackets. Fill in the blanks with the words from the bracket. Okay, we will just open the textbook now. Page number 40. This we have done many times the revision. Here you have to pick the right words. Okay, can you hear? You have to use HEAR, here. Can you hear me? Yesterday I was sick. I am feeling better today. You have to use this better. This better is wrong. Bitter. This one you have to use. Meeta wrote a leave letter. This is L-E-A-V-E, leave letter, not this leave. L-I-V-E should not. This you should use. Ajay woke up earlier than. When you are comparing, you have to use than. T-H-A-N, than you have to use. Millions of starfish were lying on the beach. That is not where. Where, no. Were you have to write. 47. This you have to practice. The next one is fill in the blanks with on or at. It is textbook. 6th bit children. Textbook page number 63. Next one we'll go to textbook page number 63. Open. Open textbook page number 63. Here you can see you have to use on or at. When the time is, day is given on and the month also on. But when the time is there, you have to use at. Grandfather will come on Tuesday. We wake up at 6 o'clock. My father's birthday is on December. For month and day, you have to use on. Okay. Our school starts at 9 o'clock. Okay, the time is given, you have to write at. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. So, day on, month on, when the time is there, you have to use it at. Then, the 7th bit. Write ER, EST of the following words. That is, you have to refer textbook page number 64, you have to refer. Learn all this comparative. Tall, taller, tallest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Dark, darker, darkest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Learn all this textbook page number 64. Now, the 8th bit. Write S if it is correct and write no if it is wrong. Okay, after this, 69 you open. Yes, page number 69. I'll read out the sentence and here the boxes are given to you. You have to write, if the answer is correct, you have to write yes, and if it is wrong, write no. The family of the crabs lived near a river. No, they lived near a beach. So, no. The crane looked graceful. Yes. The sister crab wanted her brother to walk like a tiger. No. The brother crab, could not walk gracefully. Yes. The sister crab would walk like a crane. No. So, learn this option. Textbook page number 69 for the 8th bit. Now, the next bit is change the positive sentence to negative sentence. Okay, so what are the positive and the negative sentence here? Please read out. So, all these are positive sentence which we can do and which it is not. Okay, I am happy, I am not happy. I am ill, I am not ill. Shut the door, do not shut the door. The sun is bright, the sun is not bright. He helps the poor, he does not help the poor. He is writing, he is not writing. So, learn all this. I'll keep a while for half a second so that you can copy all these positive and negative sentences. First one, I'll repeat. I am happy, copy all this. I am happy, I am ill, shut the door, the sun is bright and he helps the poor. All these are positive and here they are negative. I am not happy, I am not ill, do not shut the door, the sun is not bright, he does not help the poor. The next one is write short forms, which we have done it, isn't it? We have done these short forms very long back. So, learn all these short forms. Cannot, can't, she is, they have, I have, do not, I am, we are. Tenth bit I am talking about. Do not, I am, we are, you are, he is, she will. Okay, learn all this. And the next is write the past tense of the given word. So what you have to do? You have to write the past tense. Present tense and past tense. Okay, hold, held, tell, told, make, made, buy, bought, keep, kept, teach, taught, bring, brought, fight, fought, say, said, meet, met, come, came, fall, fell, leave, left, run, ran, spend, spent, build, built, eat, ate, fly, flew, laugh, laughed, catch, caught. So if you are missed, you can copy it. And you can pause the video and you can see it. Next one. So these are the first 5 and the remaining 5. The next one is fill in the blanks with ly form. Fill in the blanks with ly form. Okay? Fill in the blanks with ly form. So all this and learn all the question answers which I have given to you. Okay? Learn all the question answers which I have made you to write in the textbook. Yes? Read all these question answers. Okay? Why can't the poet wear his own shoes? Which are the 2? I gave the pick of this. You read all these question answers for the exam. Is it clear to everyone? All the 10 question answers you have to learn for the exam. Learn all these question answers. Okay? Thank you, children.